If a genius has one generation, him Bob Marley, he still we ask. From his reggae music, he has a fast. Whoa, 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 whoa. He can't be forgotten. He did not work just for himself. And like the others, he also works for freedom, for progress, and for respect of all black people. Whoa, 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 whoa. Même si le génie n'a qu'un siècle, lui Bob Marley vit encore parmi nous. De par ses œuvres et sa création. Wow, 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 wow. On ne pourra jamais l'oublier. Il n'a pas seulement travaillé pour lui-même, à l'instar des autres. Il s'est battu pour le progrès, la liberté et le respect de toute la race. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. All right. Zibidi bam bam, bam 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 bam.
In this old sweet life, we're coming in from the cold. We're coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in from the cold. It's you, it's you, it's you I'm talking to. Well, you I'm talking to now. Why do you look so sad and forsaken? When one door is closed, don't you know other is open? Would you let the system make you kill your brother, man? No, 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 that no. Would you let the system get on top of your head again? No, that no. Would you let the system make you kill your brother, man? No, 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 that no. One love, one love. Let's get together and be alright. I say one love, one love, one love. Let's get together and be alright. Come on, one love, one love. Let's get together and be alright. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. I say was bigger with the good people we meet. Good friends we have, good friends we have lost along the way, yeah. In this great future, you can't forget your best. I say, so dry your tears. I say, no woman no cry. No woman no cry. I say, no woman no cry. No, oh little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman no cry. Don't shed no tears. No woman no cry. Come on, no woman, no woman, no woman, no woman, no woman, no woman no cry. No woman no cry. Also, don't forget others that have followed his footsteps in reggae music. By example, Jacob Miller. He dance dreadlocks keep living on tenement. Dreadlocks keep living on tenement. Dreadlocks keep living on tenement. Too much too much what you. Too much too much what you. Dreadlocks keep living privacy. Anything is true or legacy. Too much what you. Too much too much what you. Too much Dreadlocks keep living on tenement. Dreadlocks keep living on tenement. In a tenement, in a tenement. Dreadlocks get ready to reggae ma. Alibadu is el jajala. Too much what you, too much too much what you, too much Dreadlocks keep living at tenement. Too much informers and too much peace. Too much what you, too much Too much what you, too much Dreadlocks keep living at tenement. Too much Babylon and too much gun. In a tenement, in a tenement. I say, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. So much what you, so much. Thank you.